Talakayan natin ang unang bahagi ng panayam ni ARMM-PTV News Bureau Chief Haji Munir General kay Attorney Liza Alamia, Executive Secretary ng ARMM.
Maraming salamat sa pagpatuloy ng balitaan. Ang segment ng Salam ay narito pa rin. At sa umagang ito tayo mapalad at pinaunlakan ang ating imbitasyon ng Lieutenant Governor ng ARMM. Walang iba kundi si Executive ng Autonomous Region, si Attorney Liza Alamia. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum ma'am and good morning. Welcome to Salam.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and thank you for the invitation.
Ma'am, sa 23 taon pagkatatag ng Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, ano kaya ang naging achievement ng ARMM para sa kapakanan ng Bangsamoro sa 5 probinsya ng Sulu, Basilan, Tawi-Tawi, Lanao del Sur at Maguindanao?
Well, unang-una, the ARMM has been touted to be a failed experiment ng ating gobyerno as a result of the peace process, the previous peace process. That's why we're undergoing a peace process right now with the MILF. And when pumasok kami dito under the administration of Regional Governor Mujib Hataman, ay may mga problema kaming naabutan. And you would see that among the achievements of the Regional Governor Mujib Hataman's administration ay yung reforms that we have been doing with the armed bureaucracy, kasama na rin yung bawat ahensya at yung mga policies that we have set pagdating sa pag-implement ng mga proyekto. We've been very, very strict about it. We have streamlined the bureaucracy. We've also rationalized the way the government works by dividing the cabinet into 5 clusters. Namely, we have Cabinet Cluster number 1, which works on good governance and anti-corruption, and this is headed by DILG ARMM, and focuses on programs and projects that are doable, feasible, with high impact and high impact projects, which can be implemented within a period of 3 years, up to 2015 or 2016. And it targets, for example, local government units at the LGU level. How do we improve the performance of our LGUs from the provincial level, municipal, and barangay level? The second cluster, cabinet cluster, is cluster on security, justice, and transition to the Bangsamoro. This is the cluster that takes care of the smooth transition from ARMM into the Bangsamoro, from collection of database and cleaning up of all the data information system in all the different agencies, and making sure that there will be a smooth transition by making sure also that the inventory of everything from capital outlay, equipment, including personnel, would be done and turned over properly to the next government structure.
Ma'am, nabanggit mo kanina ang failed experiment na ito ay binanggit mismo ni ang ating mahal na Pangulo, si Pangulong Benigno Aquino III, kung saan nahati ang pananaw o perception ng mga Bangsamoro leader.
Well, unang-una, nung pumasok po ang administrasyon ni Regional Governor Mujib Hataman, ay alam ng lahat na ang ARMM ay considered a failed experiment. Kaya nga nagkaroon tayo ng peace process with between the and the MILF for the purpose of setting up a new Bangsamoro political entity. And because of this fact that it is a failed experiment, dahil nga sa structural problems that are found in it and the law that was passed, ay kailangan naming magtrabaho and work around that structure, that of being a failed experiment. So, nung inabutan namin yung ARMM, alam natin na marami siyang problema, mula problema sa pag-implement ng mga proyekto, mga alegasyon ng corruption, yung hindi totoong mga nagtatrabaho, may mga ghost teachers, ghost students, at hindi nararamdaman ng mga tao yung development na dapat na maramdaman nila. So ang ginawa natin ay we have streamlined unang-una the bureaucracy. At the regional level, ang lahat ng mga ahensya ay na-cluster natin into 5 clusters. Ito yung convergence approach na ginagamit natin right now. So all of these 5 clusters are required na mag-implement ng mga programa na doable, feasible, high impact. Ibig sabihin, ramdam ng mga tao. Binago yung vision ng ARMM, dapat pro-people siya at saka transparent. So yung 5 clusters na to, yung unang cluster ay yung cluster on good governance and anti-corruption. So from the name itself, ang target natin dito ay i-resolve yung problema sa corruption within the government, sa regional government down to the local government units. So ang focus dito sa cluster number 1 ay towards improving the way government delivers its services from the regional down to the barangay level. At marami tayong mga programa dito, and this is headed by the DILG. The second cluster is called the cluster on security, justice, and the transition to the Bangsamoro. Ito yung cluster na mag-ensure na smooth yung transition from ARMM into the Bangsamoro. Kasama din dito sa cluster na to yung ating Human Rights Commission. For the first time in the history of ARMM ay na-set up natin ang Regional Human Rights Commission. Yung pangatlong cluster is the cluster on economic development and economic linkages. At dito yung ating rapid infrastructure development assistance dahil hindi magkakaroon ng progress sa economy kung wala yung mga infrastruktura na kinakailangan. Yung mga daan, bridges, ports, ang mga eskwelahan, for example, na kailangan ipatayo. And also yung investments na kailangan makuha natin. And so this is headed by the Regional Board of Investments. And just to, isa sa mga achievements nga sa cluster number 3, ay for 2013 alone, we've reached around 1.4 billion pesos in investments. This is the first po sa ARMM, sa history niya. And sa first quarter pa lang ng 2014, ay umabot na ng 1.45 billion pesos ang mga nag-invest sa ARMM. And kung i-total natin to, naka-generate na tayo so far ng more than 2,000 jobs po. Mga trabaho ito para sa mga ordinaryong tao. Yung pang-apat na cluster among the 5 ay ito yung human development and anti-poverty cluster. So ang target nitong cluster na to ay matugunan yung pangangailangan ng mga tao at matuldukan yung kahirapan ng mga tao. Although we know that we cannot do this in 3 years, ngunit ang mga programa na nilagay natin dito, kasama ang DSWD, Department of Education, ang TESDA, ang Department of Health, unang-una ay gusto natin na maibigay yung quality education sa ating mga kabataan. Gusto natin din ma-resolve yung problema sa mga ghost teachers, ghost schools, and ghost students at unti-unting na-resolve nga natin ito. Gusto din natin ma-resolve yung kakulangan ng mga paaralan, ng classrooms at mga upuan and books. And based on the performance ng Department of Education sa ARMM, ay unti-unti na-achieve na natin ito sa buong probinsya, 5 probinsya ng ARMM. Ang pang-limang cluster ay the ARM, Humanitarian Emergency Action and Response Team. Itong pang-limang cluster na to, pinasok natin dun sa 5 cluster convergence approach dahil nga ang ARMM is a conflicted area and at the same time a natural disaster area. So palaging merong sakuna na kaya nagkakaroon ng displacement. Ang daming bakwit. Halos lahat tayo, lahat kami, ako naka-experience akong maging bakwit. And so, kailangan merong rapid response na ibibigay sa mga tao. So, yung Arm Heart Cluster, ginagawa, the moment na may sakuna at merong displacement, within 24 hours, dapat makarespond. And dapat yung response niya ay 24/7. So, dito sa cluster na to ay medyo malaki po yung naitulong na ng ARMM sa ating mga kababayan na naging biktima ng sakuna mula sa natural disaster, flooding dito sa Maguindanao, typhoon, including yung Typhoon Haiyan, yung Typhoon Yolanda, nakarating ang Arm Heart hanggang sa Tacloban and Tolosa in Leyte para magbigay ng tulong. The Arm Heart uses also the convergence approach. So nandito lahat ng ahensya, Department of Health, ang ating DRM, members ng DRM Council, which includes DSWD, DOST, DILG, Regional Human Rights Commission at ang ating Regional Planning and Development Office. So every time na may sakuna ay nandyan po sila nakaka-respond.
Ako po ang inyong host, walang iba kundi si Joel Munir, General, mula dito sa lungsod Cotabato, at ako ngayon ay iabot ko ang aking pasasalamat sa Executive Secretary ng ERMM, si Attorney Liza Alamia. Magsukol, ma'am.
Super. Thank you.